Reserve Bank of India injected Rs 55,837 crore transient liquidity into the banking system through 3-day variable rate repo (VRR) auction. What is variable rate repo? Variable rate repo (VRR) is a short-term borrowing and lending arrangement used by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) to inject liquidity into the banking system. Unlike the fixed repo rate, where the interest rate is predetermined by the RBI, the VRR allows the interest rate to be determined through an auction process. It is a part of the liquidity adjustment facility and helps banks manage temporary cash shortages. Key characteristics of variable rate repo (VRR). Key characteristics of variable rate repo are as follows. Short-term instrument. VRR is a temporary liquidity tool with a tenure of 1 to 14 days used for managing short-term cash needs of banks. Market determined interest rate. Unlike the fixed repo rate, the interest rate is determined through an auction based on banks' bids. Auction based allocation. Banks submit bids specifying the amount and interest rate, and RBI allocates funds starting from the highest bid until the total notified amount is exhausted. Collateral requirement. Banks must provide eligible government security as collateral to borrow funds. Variable rate repo working. Suppose the RBI decides to conduct a 7-day VRR auction of Rs 50,000 crore to inject liquidity into the banking system. Several banks participate and place bids indicating the amount they want to borrow and the interest rate they are willing to pay. Bank A bids Rs 10,000 crore at 5.30%, Bank B bids Rs 15,000 crore at 5.25%, and Bank C bids Rs 20,000 crore at 5.20%. Bidding and allocation. The RBI starts allotting funds from the highest interest rate bid to ensure efficient allocation. For example, Bank A is allotted Rs 10,000 crore at 5.30%, Bank B is allotted Rs 15,000 crore at 5.25%, Bank C is allotted Rs 20,000 crore at 5.02%, Bank D is allotted only Rs 5,000 crore at 5.15%. Partial allocation because the total auction limit of Rs 50,000 crore is reached. Impact of variable rate repo on banking and liquidity. VRR operations directly influence banking liquidity and short-term borrowing cost. When the RBI injects funds through VRR auctions, banks have more surplus cash available for interbank lending. This pushes short-term interest rate lower and keeps them aligned with the policy repo rate. For borrowers, VRR indirectly impacts the loan pricing across the economy. As the borrowing cost change for the banks, it eventually reflects the lending rates on products such as home loans, personal loans, and corporate credit. Difference between variable rate repo (VRR) and fixed repo rate. The variable rate repo (VRR) and the fixed repo rate are both tools used by the Reserve Bank of India to manage liquidity and influence interest rate, but they differ significantly in their functioning and purpose. Difference between variable rate repo (VRR) and fixed repo rate. Variable rate repo. The interest rate in VRR is market driven and decided through an auction where banks bid for funds based on their liquidity requirement. The rate varies with each auction depending on demand and supply. Fixed repo rate. The fixed repo rate is a policy rate set by RBI's Monetary Policy Committee. It is predetermined and remains unchanged until RBI revises it in a monetary policy announcement. VRR rates are flexible and change with every auction, reflecting the short-term liquidity conditions of the banking system. The fixed repo rate is stable over time and changes only when RBI announces a policy revision, providing predictability to banks and borrowers. Primary purpose. VRR is used by RBI to fine-tune short-term liquidity, helping banks meet temporary cash shortages and ensuring money market rates remain aligned with policy objectives. The fixed repo rate is used to signal the RBI's overall monetary policy stance, guiding credit flow, lending rates, and economic behavior over the medium terms. Market sensitivity or risk. Highly sensitive to immediate liquidity conditions, as the interest rate is determined by market demand and competitive bidding among banks. Less sensitive to short-term market fluctuations, since the rate is centrally fixed and not influenced by daily liquidity changes. Impact on borrowing cost. Primarily affects short-term money market rates and has an indirect effect on lending rates for loans and credit products. Serves as a benchmark for lending rates, including home loans, corporate borrowings, and other credit instruments, directly influencing borrowing cost.